Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use your smartphone as a remote control to your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. First of all, we're gonna have to download and install an application called Philips Smart TV. It's available both in App Store and Google Play Store, so just search for Philips Smart TV, and once you find this app from TP Vision, tap download and wait until this application is installed. After that, make sure that both your smartphone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. Here go to wireless and networks, go to wired or Wi-Fi, then scroll down to view network settings, and here check which Wi-Fi network your TV is connected to. And make sure that your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then open the application. Give it all the permissions that it asks you for, so basically your location and devices nearby. Accept terms of use and privacy and tap continue. And this application will immediately find your TV if your smartphone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So basically, just tap on your TV and then you're gonna have to enter the pairing code shown on your TV, and your TV will show this code right in front of you. So just enter the code that you see on your TV screen on your iPhone, on your smartphone, and tap pair, and then select remote control. Now you can start using your smartphone as a remote control. However, there is a slight delay to that comparing to other TVs that I've noticed, yeah, basically we have all the buttons that we require here. So we have D-pad, the standard D-pad, we have input, we have keypad, we have power button, we have more options with info options and TV guide, play, pause, color buttons, channel switches, volume switches, TV button, mute button, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.